Hey, welcome to my channel. It's called Drone Up Quadcopters. My channel is Drone Up Quadcopters. And what I got right here, got my first drone. It is the HS360S GPS drone. First drone I ever owned. First time. So I'm kind of excited about it. New to the drone community. And I felt that this was the best first budget drone that I thought that I possibly could get. Possibly you all can get too once you check out all the features on it. But let's go ahead and get into it. Like I said, this is the Holy Stone HS360S GPS drone. As you see, this is the packaging. This is the drone. In the package, it comes sealed. This comes in a Ziploc pack, so you can tell that it's very definitely putting some care into this. And look at this case. Look at the case. Very nice case. Carrying case. Got the strap, one tote, very compact. It's kind of neat, right? Let's see what's all inside. Look at the case. Very nice case. Carrying case. Got the strap, one tote, very compact. It's kind of neat, right? Let's see what's all inside. As you can see, you have the drone itself. Like I said, this is the HS360S GPS drone. Ooh. Comes with a battery. Comes with charger. Comes with the other cables and connectors. This is a drone that connects to your phone. And it also comes with extra propellers. And this right here is some instructions that tells you about the controller. This being the controller. This way you put your phone. Of course, they have joysticks. Your sticks right here under the bottom. Where you put your sticks here. Screw your sticks in if I ever can get them in there. Alright, there you go. So it's a nice place to store them. Okay, so it won't be in the way when you putting it back in your carrying case. That's the stick, but these are instructions right here. Tell you exactly how to power it on. Tells you how to power the controller on. Tells you how to calibrate it. Tells you how to start the drone. Give you all that right here on these instructions. And it sits right here on your controller. That's cool right there. All the function that you need to know about your controller and how to start your drone right here on the controller. So let me move this out the way. So like I said, this is a very nice case. Get that out the way. Alright. So once again, you have the controller, the charger, which is the USB-C cable, and of course on the thing you have here, you have your drone, not your drone, but your cable that's already attached, and it's a USB-C. It's a USB-C attached. So you put your phone here. So where you would put your phone, and you would attach your cable to the phone, and that's what would transmit back and forth with your drone. You don't have to worry about, I guess, the signal. I guess it make the signal stronger, better signal. Was this, like I said, it got one battery. And let me read off some of the features of it. So you got a 4K camera right here, which is covered up. It's a nice way of protecting it. And you pull that right off, and that will reveal your camera. That's a 4K camera. Of course, it's not, some say, a gimbal or something. It doesn't have a gimbal on it, but they call it a gimbal because it's a camera attached to it. But this is not a gimbal. It's not. It's supposed to have its own. It's not stabilized, I don't believe. What it says is a camera filter. It says it had a Wi-Fi repeater. Say 3 km control range. The other features are catapult, 1 key ascension, spiral up, panorama, and it says the FAA is not required because it's FAA registration is not required on this drone because it's below the 250 gram weight requirement. Anything over the 250 gram has to be registered with the FAA. This drone does not have to be registered with the FAA because of the 250, below the 250 gram uses if you're using it for recreational purposes. So this is the drone I'm gonna have. So it's a hobbyist drone for recreational purpose, have fun with, take pictures with the family, take pictures of this, just something that you're doing for fun. And they have brushless motors. Of course, they say 3 km, 3 kilometers, relay image, transmission, optical flow, positioning, GPS, intelligent assistance flight. Has a return to home, has a follow me, tap fly, and multiple auto shooting modes, such as spiral up, catapult, rocket. It says a 4K UHD camera, relay image transmission range is saying 9,850 feet. Of course, they say no FAA registration or remote ID needed because of the recreational use, and it's below 250 grams. This drone is only 249 grams. They say the battery time when it's fully charged, you get 20 minutes per battery. Like I said, it only comes with one battery. It has 3 speeds. It has a normal, called camera speed, and sports speed, brushless motors. And let's look at this thing. Let me open it up. Nice. That's the drone right there. Fully open. This is the remote. You press that. It tells you the battery life. Battery is 100% on here now. So you can take this one battery and plug it into it. And that snap. Power this on. I'll power that on later. But let me read off some more of these specs. Of course, like I said, this is a nice drone, beginner, budget-friendly drone. This drone costs under $200. Comes with one battery. Don't have to worry about it being registered if you're using it for recreational purposes. Don't have to worry about it. Remote ID. None of that. It's one you attach your phone to. You don't have to worry about hooking up to a Wi-Fi. It feeds from the transmission from your phone straight to the drone, which gives it better frequency and better range, which they're boasting to be 9,850 feet range. Claims it can, fly pretty far. And being that it doesn't have a gimbal, probably not be all that stable, but with the 4K camera, still gonna get some pretty good images, pretty good video, pretty good photos with this drone. And like I said, this is my first drone, and I'm kind of excited about it, about putting this and flying it and trying it out. So this is going to be something that I'm going to be learning from this one. Being this the first drone, the only drone, so I got to be careful with it because I don't want anything to happen to it. But it's a budget-free drone, budget-friendly because it's not high. It's not a high-end drone per se, but when this is your first drone, this will seem like a high-end drone, I'm sure. Just looking at it now. Definitely being a first drone, of course I'm excited about it. So I'm ready to, learn all about the functions, start it up, flight patterns. I'm gonna give it a try. Kind of like this. And this right here, like I said, this is the Holy Stone HS360S GPS drone, 4K camera, intelligent flight patterns, brushless motors, only one battery, so you probably can fly up to about 20 minutes flight time. Yeah, GPS drone, I'm gonna try this out. And when I get through, once I test it, I'll come back with more information on how it performs. But yeah, I'm excited. The Holy Stone HS360S GPS drone. Yeah, definitely excited about it. And I think you will too. If this is your first drone, you probably can't go wrong with this. Yeah, this is O'Neal with the Drone Up Quadcopter. Yeah, if you like my content, I'll be back for more. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know what type of drone you have, your first drone, because like I said, this is my first drone. If you have it, let me know how I perform, but I'm going to come back with my personal thoughts when I fly it, when I put it in the air. So I'll get back with you all. This is O'Neal from Drone Up Quadcopters. Appreciate you for watching. Make sure you like. Preferably, if you like it, please go ahead and subscribe. Hit the notifications. Yeah, for more content that's coming. Yeah, I'm going to enjoy this. I appreciate it.